Hi guys, welcome to the front-end HTML CSS basic web development
We
tutorials.
will not be using CSS file today, so we'll be using simple code here. So let's just start with simple HTML base tag and then head tag so that we will add our meta information about our HTML web document here, which contains the title of our page, which shows the which will be shown on the tab opened in the browser. The title, my my first table. Okay. Oh, the compiler thought that I am adding a new tag, but we're not adding a new tag. My first table. Okay, this will be heading, and then comes to the body tag, which has background color uh, yellow. Or let's just take the body simple. With white color, we will change the color differently. Now comes to the table tag, which will have a border, which will have width and width equals to let's just say 40%. It will covers 40% of our screen. Then border by right, right, border one line. Okay, okay. Border equals. So these attributes are case sensitive. Okay, I will add two so that we will check the difference between the examples border and this border. Like how will it change the borders width? Okay, so these is you can see that here is the value is 1. I have added value 2, and then we will align our table to the center. Okay, this is also case sensitive. Align center, enter. So first, what will we do? We will add the header of our table, which will have a row tr, which means that a horizontal data row will be saved for data to enter. Then I will add th. Why will I add th? Because it will have the information of our whole table. It represents our whole table. It will give the core information of our whole table. So it will, what will it do? It will bold the text inside this row. Okay, sample, sample table. This will be the heading of our table. And now come to the key body. Key body will have the core values inside our whole data. We will add a row here, and then we will add EP for the data cell to save information like vegetables. Okay, it will be the first entry, and now comes second row and second data cell to enter. Some information will be fruits, fruits. Okay, let's just save it and check how will it affect our code here. Uh, Here it is. You can see that the border is has more thickness than the example, and you can see that this has the value at the center and these are on the left side. As I have told you before, the by default position of our content is to the left side of our screen. Let's just change their position here. Align. Okay. So add it. Capital letters. Align. Center. Control S. Let's just see what will it do. Now you can see that by using align attribute, I have centralized our content in our first row. Let's just, you can add a background color here also. Let's just add background BG color. Okay. I have to add it separately in CSS. So we will add CSS file to it to make it more desirable. Align equals center. Control S. Let's just see. Now you can see that both the values are at the center of our table. Yeah. Now just change the row span of our table. Row span. Now we will have to add it. R W S P A N equals 5. Let's just see how it will change. Or already has taken that. Or I will add 8. Control S. No change. So it means that the width here is already compressed of the size of 8 rows. Okay. So if I change the width to, let's just say 10%. So now you can see that the width is changed to 10%, and I will be adding align center and here row span. So basically we will add row span inside the tag of our data style row span 4. Let's just see how does it add more space for our content in this first row. Okay, refresh. Now you can see that it is to it changes its shape in a whole. So basically we can see that this whole width of our table comprised of 3 rows. Okay, so it will have a 3 rows or 4 rows or 5 rows. So we will change it to 8. And let's just see how it will affect the structure of our table. It will not move out of the width. So if I take width, or I will take out the attribute of width, control S. I will refresh that. Now you can see that it will automatically adjust our content to its suitable width. Okay, you can see that now these are same distance from left, right, up and down here. So as much as data you want to add there, you will add more rows. Let's just see if I add two TD tags, which means that two data cells inside one row. Control S. You can see that this is in one row. Let's just add more information inside that. And, TD align equals to center. Fruits, vegetable, uh, what will we add? Groceries. Okay. Then we will add TD, sorry, TD here, and align the data to center equals to center. And I will add here something new. Instead of row span, I will add column span so that it will add more space vertically. Okay, let's just say 4. It will have the size of 4, and we'll close it here, and I will add books. Control S, and now I will change that. Okay, now you can see that this whole title will have changed, and all the items are in same row. Okay, so if I add width here, width width equals width equals 50%. Control S. Let's just see how does it go. Now you can see that as the width increases, the size of our data set also increases, as we have described here. So column span is added, add some row span here. Okay, equals to 5 for S. No changes. So it means that if I have not added, so basically it took same width as it will have width on in our row. So let's just change that and see what kind of changes it will have here. Let's just take it back to the same position. So we will have more rows and we will have more columns. Control V, Control V. Okay, so Control C, Control V, Control V, Control S. So now I have 4 rows and 4 columns in my tables. Control S. Now you can see that
I hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos.